This better be because of the contract change. There's no way futures gap down that much. Is this a contract rollover? That has to be. That's a decent gap for that. So Forex and, I guess not Forex, futures, it likes to take a little nap. So they say it's open 24/7. It's actually closed on Saturday, Friday night, and Sunday morning. Takes a little nap, and then it wakes up. It's the only time it actually closes. It closes for an hour, take a little breather, get their accounting done, and then it's back up. So a gap like that on, let's just check ES. Not as bad. That's so I actually bought the dip at the end of the day because we sold off into the bell, and I thought, man, let's buy the dip on that. So I actually am long SPY calls for this Friday, the 554. So I just went right at the money. Somebody asked me in the chat, Cody, actually my admin, right before the bell. So I'm just like, I'm firing away. If it shoots up, I'm probably grabbing puts. If it shoots down, I'm grabbing calls. It's just a little quick. I probably sell it the next morning at the bell. But that is a pretty decent sell-off when it comes to the futures contracts. So gapped into that zone, and looks like we, as of right now, if we break that wick, I got to say, we're probably looking at this next yellow zone. That's not a good sign. As far as expected moves, nothing we don't have priced in all the way. I don't think we have any fireworks tomorrow either. Let me hit some buttons. Tomorrow we have PMI. Yeah, it's pre-market. It's probably not gonna do anything. Anyway, just kidding. That's why I put the giant bear in the thumbnail, because I obviously knew all this was gonna happen. True story though, not the best look. If you're bullish, you better hope this yellow zone holds. So we gapped into that. Looks like we have about 4 buyers, which is about right. On futures contracts overnight, there's probably 3 or 4 people total trading it. It's very low volume. So we'll have to see in the morning where we're holding. As of right now, I think it's worth a knife catch. It's worth entertaining, I'll put it that way. I'd put some risk out there. We're not sky is falling, fear-blown panic mode. But it would have been nice if it just held the little sell-off we had earlier. The sky is falling. It's all good. We're just waiting on a call from March. I changed my number. I'm going to run. Make sure you subscribe to my other channel, Dan Fran Trading. Don Fran's going to disappear into the night. All right, QQQ. Still plenty of room. Did we rotate? So it looks like that's the one. We talked about this being bullish anyway, just as the bull flag. Looks like that one continued, and we just called it a day. Jordan says, SPY? Yeah, we just broke that one down. SPY and the NASDAQ both have that same look. Those glasses disappeared as fast as Dan. I'll bring Dan on right now. I got the glasses here. I can be Dan in 2 seconds. TikTok has no idea who you're talking about, but would you sell to open Tesla puts at the open? If I wasn't already in the 210 Tesla put, yes, I would. I'm buying Tesla at 210, full stop. I don't care how fast and hard the sky does fall. If it's not the meteorite that took out the dinosaurs, I'm buying it. Big Man says, I guess IWM tomorrow? As far as playing the trend, yeah. You're gonna play the trend on that one. So when you're playing the trend, are you gonna just stick with something like this and keep the higher lows? Keep the higher lows going. Do you want to play the hourly trend and maybe have your stop right below here?